guys, welcome to another item shop update. Now yes, Yellow Jacket's still here. That's a surprise, because that's a long time. However, right now we have this brand new skin that just came back. And let's not forget about the second option we have with this skin, plus the backpack. And here is Gunner, with its pretty funny back bling. We do have this pretty cool harvesting tool, plus this wrap. Now let's not forget about this pretty awesome skin right here that's available once again. And its harvesting tool, plus the glider to go along with any of these skins. Next up, we got Bolt, plus the Storm Bolt harvesting tool, which is one of my favorites. And yes, the glider, which is also really neat. Let's not forget about the wrap. And finally, this skin right here is back. Now the back bling, yes, this has to go with this type of skin, and it goes perfect. Now we also have this available at the moment. Let's just turn it around. And there are few edits to it, which are pretty dark and pretty cool. Let's not forget the back bling and Assault Troopers right here. One of the most funny gliders is available at this time. Last but not least, the emotes, which does include this emote right here, plus this one. Under special offers, we still do have this skin right here, which does include the back bling. And let's not forget about the harvesting tool, which is pretty awesome. And finally, the last skin in our list is this one right here, which of course it has to go along with this harvesting tool. Just want to mention that this skin reminds me of The Sims big time. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.